I'm using this T-bracket to attach a leg to hold this beam up. So it's about the same angle as the other beam I have over here. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's temporary, and I can make this side be planar for the solar panel install.
A few moments later.
Now these timbers have dried out. I've had them for a number of months. They've been outside in the sun and the wind. It's dry here, so they've dried. That's good and bad. You know, working by yourself is possible. It's not necessarily all that hard, but it does take a little bit of thought. I do have Irene available to me today if I decided that I absolutely positively have to have her, but she's busy doing something else right now. So I'm going to go ahead and use a few tricks to allow me to keep working. Now this beam isn't directly in line with the other two, but that's okay. I'm not trying to have coplanarity across all those panels. I'm trying to make sure that I'm able to put these 4 more panels on without an issue. Now that pretty much lines up. That lines up pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and attach on the other end, and I'll come back and start screwing this whole thing together. That end's secure. Now for this end. Well, that's basically secure now. One more cross space and this piece is done, but I'm going to go ahead and get the unistrut rails on here first. Well, the first rail's on. I need to go ahead and cut a second rail in half to put over here and on the other side. So I'll get that done right now. Now you could cut this strut with any kind of cutting tool, hacksaw, reciprocating saw. You could cut on a stationary bandsaw. Today I'm going to be using my portable bandsaw. Get it lined up. Get the saw square. Now that piece is dealt with. Just line the strut up, get out some screws, and attach the strut to the timber. Now what I'm going to do is something a little bit different. I'm not going to screw it all the way down in the bottom. I'm going to use the fact that this timber is curved, and I'll secure it right where the curve starts. We'll need to take down part of this fence again so that I can put this first panel in place.